Okay, so we just got some chilaquiles. You excited?
Yeah, I am. I almost ate the whole thing.
That's good.
So really hungry.
How's your tea?
It's chamomile. It's so expensive. Wow, they even have like backpacks. This is like hand sanitizer. Oh yeah, here's 2 for $24. True. God, I so much Halloween decoration.
So friendly, so cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Yeah, now she wants to play.
Can we have chocolate ice? Lisa?
Hi! So we're having sushi and they look like fried gyozas by the park. Looks like a sense bottle. Yeah. So I'm having granola and a salmon thing. So today there's not that much coming from me. I got a little sick. Yeah, I'm having a cold and my throat sore. So all I did today was drinking tea, and then I went for lunch with my friend, which I haven't seen in almost a year. And now I'm back in the apartment. Diego went for a ride. Evan and Jonah are working. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a relaxing day with the puppies. Got a little matcha drink, and we are in Stanley Park to have a little picnic. And well, we went to take Maple to the dog park, but there was no other dog, and she didn't do anything. So big.
That's cool.
The spicy ketchup's there, salt and pepper, but anything else for you guys?
No,
Oh, okay.
Enjoy.
That is pretty tight, isn't it?
So this is this famous brand, but it's so expensive.
Oh, is it 30 pounds? What? We didn't do a workout.
Here, this pan is 350. What? Why is it so expensive? And also, why do I think it gets dirty so quick? What? You will get biceps. So this candelier smells really good. But I don't know how, like I don't like how it looks like a cup. Not that good.
There's also, they're gonna spread.
They also rent cabins here. Wow. My bread broke.
Is there more hot dog? More?
Okay?
Yeah.
No. You want some? Oh, yeah, there is one there. You want another one? There's more in.
Yeah, me too. Because now it's getting colder. So we're going for lunch, and this is my outfit of the day. Oh, they have like oh yeah, they're good. They're really cute. That kind of designs some templates.
You can put one of those in your helmet.
But they're all corgi. I would like to have like a maple on my helmet.
Just change the color to brown.
But she's all brown. Oh, this is, I gave you one of this one time. Look, there's a how every coffee is made, and then I got a caramel macchiato and a banana muffin, but it's purple. So we had a nice day today. We went to the Korean barbecue, our favorite restaurant, and then we went to North Vancouver to the pier, which you saw in the previous clips. Just walked around, went to the little shops, and now we're back in the house.